Hello, Sauvage Beauties. Here's my secret to flawless skin. It's hydration and exfoliation. Here I use simply some coffee grinds and Cetaphil face wash. I made sure to put it all over the face, and then I removed it with a hot, clean towel. Removed all residue before I applied moisturizer. I used Pond's because it's universal and it's sensitive. It caters to all skin types. And once the skin was moisturized, I definitely sprayed some additional moisturizing skin TLC before I put Milk of Magnesia all over the face so that the makeup latches on after all of that moisture. When it comes to foundation, again, moisturizing. I make sure to put my trusted black opal stick foundation all over the perimeters and the center of the face in the shades that apply. So our contoured area should get a darker shade, highlight area should get a lighter shade, and then the base shade should be dead on skin match. Match the face with the chest, not the neck. A lot of makeup artists match with the neck and then the face ends up too dark. So match it with the chest and blend it out with a brush that has been sprayed with some moisturizing setting spray, as well as spraying the face with moisturizing setting spray. And then you go in with your highlight and where highlight needs to be done. I didn't need to go back in with cream contour because black opal is the GOAT, so I don't have to do it twice. I set the entire face with my trusted Airspun before I go in and over that setting powder with my Fenty Beauty pressed powder for contour and dimension. After contour and dimension, I'm going to load her up with blush. Then I'm going to, again, moisturize, spray setting spray, and melt all of that product into her skin so it is all seamless. I know it looked a little bright with the blush, but trust me, we're chocolate. We need some bright sometimes so that once it's dimmed down by using the foundation brush, it then looks like skin. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Did you guys peep my new branding? Sauvage Beauty is open and here to cater to you. Yes, and here is the final look. Highlight on point. Glow just, you see that glow? The glow is by Crayon Case and Glow Love. I never fell when I use that. She looks beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learned something. Comment, like, subscribe, and I got more heat coming your way.